process of joining one of RCPI's prestigious international programs couldn't be easier. When you're ready to apply for one of our residency or fellowship programs, you can start your application online and through our website. For residency, you need to have completed your degree through English, completed or be near completing a structured internship. For fellowship, you need to have completed a primary medical degree through English, completed a structured internship, completed a national residency program, and passed the associated final board examination. For both residency and fellowship programs, you will require provisional sponsorship from a government body we have an agreement with. Remember, you don't need to have an English language certification or MRCPI to apply for either program. Make sure to submit all required documents correctly. And if you have any queries, just reach out to the RCPI team and we'll be happy to help. If your application is shortlisted, you'll be invited for an interview in one of the Gulf Cooperation Council countries. Successful candidates receive an offer within a few days. Officially accept your offer by email. The RCPI team, along with Castell Education, will support you right through onboarding into the program and training itself. If you need to meet English language proficiency requirements, we offer one-on-one tutoring to prepare for the OET or IELTS examinations. For those joining the residency program, RCPI tutors will provide tutoring and access to a question database for the MRCPI Part 1 examination. RCPI and Castell Education will help you register with the Irish Medical Council, visa applications, and finding accommodations, schools, and childcare. We even assist with everyday tasks like opening a bank account. You will arrive in Ireland 2 weeks before your start date to settle in your new home, attend an induction day, and then begin your journey to advance your medical career in one of our Irish hospitals. Graduates from the Royal College of Physicians International Residency Training Program and International Clinical Fellowship Program have gone on to achieve the following roles and advancements in their careers. Apply to an international program with RCPI today.